The Nubia Z50 flaunts a 6.67-inch curved AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400x 1080 pixels FHD+, 10-bit color depth, and up to a 144 Hz refresh rate. The screen supports up to 100% of the 3-phase color gamut, 3 million ohm contrast ratio, and 1000 nits peak brightness. It features a glass and wedge body with a metal frame. There's also a leather version. The rear cameras are placed differently compared to the previous models in the lineup. It arrives with an X-axis linear vibration motor and dual stereo speakers. The handset is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. The chipset is paired with LPDDR RAM, UFS 4.0 storage, VC cooling system. On the software front, it boots iOS 13 based on Android 13. The phone sports a dual camera system on the rear and a 16MP omnivision OVAC front-facing camera powered by the company's NeoVision imaging algorithm. It comes with a custom 64MP Sony IMX787 primary sensor with a 35mm equivalent lens, f1.6 aperture, and OIS. The secondary back camera is a 50MP Samsung S5KJN1 sensor with a 116 ultra-wide lens and autofocus support for macro shots. The two cameras are supported by a ring LED light and a multi-channel spectral sensor. Last but not least, the smartphone is backed by a 5000 mAh battery with support for 80 watts wired fast charging. The Nubia Z50 will retail at the following price tags in China: 8GB plus 128GB to 1,999 yen for $130. 8GB plus to 156GB 3,399 yen for $187. 12GB plus to 156GB 3,699 yen $530. 12GB plus 512GB 3,999 yen $573. 16GB plus 1TB 5,999 yen $859. The handset can be availed in either white, black, or green leather color options. It is already up for pre-order and will go on sale from December 23rd. Nubia has also partnered with Costa Coffee for a winter gift box. This package includes a Nubia Z50 12GB plus 512GB and some goodies. It is priced at 4,199 yen $601.